Hey everyone, Josh with Alliance. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I'll be going over our PTO Body Builder wiring locations and harnesses on a Mack Granite truck specifically. So as you can see here, we're at the front of the truck with the hood open on the driver's side, and we have a few different wiring connections that we at Alliance here add to the truck. So I'll just point those out for you here. So on the firewall right here, we've got this silver looking 31 Deutsch plug here. Now that is where we run our 12 wire into the truck, and that controls different things like shifting between PTO and drive, RPM plus minus, your outrigger lights and stuff like that. So that's that connector there. Through a strainer leaf further down there, we have our proximity sensor wire come out if you have an automatic transmission, as well as any other options for the truck. So if you have a backup camera, feedback screens, 360 cam, anything like that, they'll all be on a black strainer leaf down there. And the connectors for those are most likely going to be over here. So as you can see here, we got our 4-pin Deutsch plug for our proximity sensor, and we got our 2-pin Deutsch plug there for our feedback screens, as this truck is optioned with it. So that's just a good area to look if you're ever experiencing issues, and it's also good to know where these connectors are in your truck. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.